Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your income with Bank of America, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your income with Bank of America, begin by gathering necessary documents. You will need your most recent pay stubs, tax returns, and any other income verification documents. Next, log into your Bank of America account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the website. Look for the Income Verification option within your account settings. Select the option to start the income verification process. You will be prompted to upload your documents. Click on the Upload button and choose the files you've prepared. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. After uploading, double-check that all information is correct. Then, submit the documents for review. The verification process may take a few business days. Check your email for updates regarding your submission. If additional information is required, follow the instructions provided. Once your income is verified, you will receive confirmation from Bank of America. Make sure to keep copies of your documents for your records. If you encounter any issues, contact Bank of America's customer service for assistance. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth income verification process with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.